LSV, 67mm turbo, custom manifold, forward face manifold, 60mm wastegate, open dump, 3-inch downpipe with aluminum exhaust, 3-inch intercooler piping, tile blow valve, GSR transmission, LSD, Edelbrock ported manifold, 90mm throttle body, Type R head, Type R cams, and 4-inch bell intercooler. The car brakes the 500 mark. It makes about 530 at 19-20 pounds of boost.
It's a little bit of fun.
Yeah, pump 93.
Yeah.
You know, that's what it needs. It's fun. It's fun with 1000s and 750s. You know, that's it. That's it. Nothing special. Nothing special.
Probably got a nitro bottle in the back. He hiding shit. It's a pretty clean setup. I ain't gonna hold you. It looks street car too.
Power, you don't need that shit.
It's better ignition. Better fuel. I'll bet you do what you want. I bet you I'll make 5 horsepower if I did that.
Okay, I promise you I'm making 500 horsepower and my car is just as stock as your car. Exactly.
Yeah, but you got it out here, so I need to snap for me take that out there.
Didn't break down, you're still in one piece, not your typical Honda. How's your temp looking? Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. We finally got the car back, which I should be excited, but there's a few little more tweaks that we have to do. C did everything that he was supposed to. The car brakes great. I'll go out later and give you guys, probably ride along, but it's hot right now, mad traffic. I don't want to go out. I'll just wait until like the traffic clears up and stuff like that. But differently, the car brakes great, back and front, no more squeaking except for the suspension. I have the springs and struts and stuff in the back. I just have to get the mounts and then we should be good on that, and that's it. We should be good suspension wise, and then we're gonna have some fun. But let's get into it.